Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Yes. Other day I was talking about many-to-many association. It is always bidirectional association. Here both parent and child class will have special collection type properties. So parent can have set of child objects and child can have set of parent objects. Are you understanding my point there? Okay. It is one-to-many association from parent and also one-to-many association from child. So that means one or more parents can have one or more childs, vice versa. To build this association, we need three tables. And these are the examples, guys. Okay, I think this statement right after this not sounding good. These are the examples of many-to-many. So diamond symbol or rhombus symbol indicates a child boss. Fine. So now let me take one example, guys. Three tables are required now. Student and faculties. What is the relationship, guys? What is the relationship? Many to many. One or more student can get the coaching from one or more faculties. One or more faculties can give coaching to one or more students. That is many to many. Programmers and projects. One or more programmers can work for one or more projects. One or more projects can have one or more programmers. Doctor and patients. One or more doctors can give treatment to one or more patients. One or more patients can get treatment from one or more doctors. What do you say, guys? Come on, are you getting my point there? Fine, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay. I'm taking example, three tables I'm taking, guys. So what is this? Three tables. Doctor. I don't say parent table here, but it will hold doctor information. Doctor information. Yeah, doctor will have what here? Doctor ID, DID, PK. Doctor name, hospital, hospital. Next, qualification. Doctor name, hospital, and qualification. Doctor ID here, name here, hospital here, qualification here. Qualification here. Then we are having patient table, guys. Patient table, table 2. Yes, here we are having patient ID PK, patient name, patient ID PK, patient name. Okay, next. Problem. So like this here also some details are there. I'm having joint table here, third table. Okay. Doctors underscore patients. Doctors underscore patients. Table 3, what is that? Joint table. Yeah, this is the place where relationship will be built, guys. Because of this only, many to many association will be built. Here no foreign key, here no foreign key. So, right, because one or more patients can get treatment from one or more doctors, right? Okay, fine. So here we are having doctor underscore ID PK. Next, patient underscore ID PK. Seriously, this is my composite PK, guys. Composite primary key. See, primary key applied on both columns. Understanding my point? Okay, actually, they are not only just PK, there are FK foreign keys, but on both columns, composite PK is applied. So that means what's the meaning of that? Primary key applied on two columns, guys. That means primary key is applied on both columns together. Both columns together. What is this? Doctors underscore patients. What is this? Doctors underscore patients. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Both columns together. So what is that? Doctor underscore ID and patient underscore ID. Yes, let's see. I'm taking two doctors, guys. 101. Raja is the doctor. Hospital is Apollo Hospital. Apollo. Qualification MD. Something. 102. Rajesh. 102 Rajesh. Tell me. Hospital is hospital. So many hospitals are there nowadays. KIMS. Qualification is also MD. Qualification is also MD. 1001 patient Jani. Problem is problem is what is that surgery? What surgery? Heart surgery. Okay. 1002. 1002. Mahesh. Okay. What is this? Mental instability. Next. 1003. Mr. Subham, upgrade your core Java and SQL knowledge. If you primary key, right now we have only one primary key, but it is applied on two columns together. Then it is called composite primary key. If you don't know that, I am helpless. I think I only discussed in Hibernate. Primary key applied on one column is called singular primary key column. Primary key column applied on multiple columns together is called composite primary key column. If you feel every day is fresh day, how can I go further, guys? That too I have written together also. I have not forgotten to written together, right? Composite PK is the PK that is applied on multiple columns together, not individual PKs, Ra Babu. Okay. Fine. Anita, what is that? Cancer problem. Right. Next, Suresh. Suresh, corona problem. Yes. Corona problem. These are the problems. These are the two doctors we are having. Let us assume first doctor is giving treatment to first doctor is giving treatment to two patients. Second doctor is giving treatment to all the four patients. All the four patients. Then what happens? 101, 1001. See, what do you mean by composite PK? Each column can have duplicate, but combination cannot be duplicated. 1001, 1000, so 101, 1002. See, here duplicates will be there. Here also duplicates may come, but combination will not, should not have any duplicates. 1001, okay, 1002. Second doctor is giving treatment to all the four patients. Okay, that's why 1002, 1003, 1004. Are you understanding my point? So this is the table one to hold parent records here. To hold parent records. This is to hold child records. This is to hold child records. This is to build association. Entire association is built here, guys. To build the association. This is to build association. Understanding my point there? Fine. Array, here, entire association is built here. Check it out. One or more doctors are giving treatment to one or more patients. One or more patients is getting treatment from one or more doctors. By just having foreign key in the child table, we cannot build this association because it is two-way association. Parent should have child, child should have a parent. So that's why in many to many association, three tables are mandatory. Three tables are mandatory, but two entity classes are sufficient. Two entity classes are sufficient. Two entity classes to build the many to many association. Two entity classes to build the many to many association. Right, guys. What are those? Public class doctor recommended to implement serializable interface. Serializable interface. Next, what is this? Private int doc ID. I think DID, yeah, fine. Okay, DID. Private string D name. I think only name I have taken. Next, private string hospital. Next, private string. Next one. Next one is what, guys? Qualification, QLFI. Qualification, sure. Okay. QLFY. Right. Here I will write @data. Yeah, recommended to take wrapper types. You know that integer. But I have to have a special property, guys. Don't forget to have that special property. Set. Private set. Tell me. Patient. Private set patient. Private set patient. Patients. Private set patient. Patients. That's it, guys. That much easy it is. Child class. Child class, oh, qualification is taken complete name. Huh? Fine, you can take half name also, not a issue. Fine, child class here, guys. At the rate data, public class patient, implements serializable. Private integer, PID, patient ID, private string name. Are you understanding my point there? Okay. Yes. Private string. Come on. Private string problem. Next, private string. I think these are the three issues. Okay. Private set doctor, doctors. Doctors. Fine, guys. Doctors. Now we have to develop the mapping files, guys. Shall we start the development of the mapping files, guys? Okay. What is that? What is that? Doctor.hbm.xml. Doctor.hbm.xml. Hibernate-mapping. Let's see. We have two classes, but we have three tables. So we should be very careful while writing mappings, guys. Okay. Package.doctor. Package.doctor. What is the table name, guys? Doctor only. Yes, you have to write doctor only. Come on. Right. Fine. No, when I'm explaining, I don't open IDE. Some people are irritating me, sir. Type in IDE and paste here. Please try to understand the difference between development and explanation. Please. Please, Akshay Bhushe, you are attending my classes for these many days and still you don't know the difference between explanation and development. Sorry to say. Nowadays, it has become very passion for everyone. Sir, don't type in the notepad, paste from what? IDE. There is a concept called explanation, Ra Babu. You want explanation or you don't want explanation? No, I don't have any problem. I don't have problem. I will directly paste it. I don't have any issue. Please, guys. Okay. ID name is equal to DID. DID. See, if I explain by using Eclipse or this, because some attributes tags will come automatically, you may overlook. Here I am typing each letter. Here I am typing each letter in front of you, so that you will concentration on each letter. There's a difference between explaining through IDE and this. That too, I am not developing every application like this. Only first example of every concept I am doing like this. And if you don't have patience, go to hell. Fine. Okay. Next one, generator. Class is equal to increment. I want to generate doctor ID dynamically by using increment generator. Fine, guys. Next, what is next one? Property name is equal to name. Giving type is optional, length is optional. If you don't give length, default length will be taken. Length is equal to 20. Yeah, if you are interested, you can give type also. Only for string, this is required here. Okay. Here also type is equal to int. Next, property name is equal to hospital. Length is equal to 20. This. Say paste. Property name is equal to, tell me next one. Qualification. Length is equal to 10. Type is equal to string. Yeah, here what is the tag? Set tag. Name is equal to, we are in the doctor's mapping file. Patients, plural I have taken. Patients, because it has to hold one or more, this one. Table, here you must specify the third table. Why, sir? Entire association is built based on the third table. Don't forget that. Doctors underscore patients. Doctors underscore patients. Next. Cascade is equal to all. Lazy is equal to extra. Cascade is equal to all lazy. Are here no question of getting orphan record. That's why while working with many to many, the best cascading attribute value is all only. Why, sir? Why, sir? Array foreign keys are there in the third table. That too, on that we are going to apply composite primary key. So primary keys allows duplicates. No. Primary keys allows empty values. Null values. No. Is there any question of getting orphan records in many to many association? Is there any question of getting orphan records in many to many association? No. No means no. And that too on third table to both columns, composite primary key is coming. Primary key allows null values. No. That's why no need of writing. No need of writing all hyphen, delete hyphen orphan. Just all is sufficient. All is sufficient, guys. I think you convinced with me. Come on, guys. Lazy is equal to extra. Yeah, if you want to mention fetch type and other things, not a issue. Next one. Key column is equal to, what is that? Key column is equal to owning side foreign key column. Owning side foreign key column is what? Doctor ID. Are in the third table, owning side foreign key column, guys. This is what? Owning side foreign key column. Owning side foreign key column. Next, what is the association? Array set property may build to one to many to many also. But I have to give clarity that I am looking for many to many. Come on. I have to give clarity that I am looking for many to many. Many to many. Class is equal to package dot patient. Or it has to hold bunch of patient objects. But how they should be picked up? How they should be picked up? Come on. Based on patient ID foreign key column. So that's why column is equal to patient underscore ID. Column is equal to patient underscore ID. End of the set tag. End of the class tag. End of the hibernate hyphen mapping tag. Yes, guys, this is what non-owning side foreign key column. That means other side. Array, how they should be picked based on this non-owning side FK column. Anything great, guys? So entire magic is there here, guys. This is one thing. Third table is one thing. This is one thing. Yeah, you can mention one side inverse is equal to true. Only one side, not both sides. Inverse is equal to true. One side we can use inverse is equal to true, guys. Nice. Okay. Nice, boss. Everyone understood my point, guys? Easy or not easy? Only two foreign key columns you have to mention. One is owning side, other one is non-owning side. I will tell why. Array, first get doctors based on doctor ID 101, 102. Get the doctors. Then get patients based on patient IDs 101, 102. This patient information. Accordingly, your patients will be mapped to the doctors. Array, first get doctors based on doctor ID, get the associated patient based on the patient ID, and link patients with the doctors. So that's why you should mention owning side foreign key column, non-owning side foreign key column. Both we have to specify, guys. Everyone convinced or not? Okay, guys. Note, since joint table is having composite PK. Yeah, how records will be inserted. While inserting, if you call session dot save on parent object, first child objects, then parent objects, then third table. So total 3 type queries will be generated. First parent table records, first child table records, then parent table records, then associated third table records. Total 3 queries will be generated, guys, towards insertion. Mr. Vikram is asking me question, in which order they will be inserted. Since the joint table is having composite PK on both FK columns, on both FK columns, are you getting my point there? Come on. So there is no possibility of getting orphan records in there is no possibility of getting orphan records in many-to-many association. In what association? Many-to-many association. There is no possibility of getting orphan records in many-to-many association. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. So the best value for cascade is all, not the all hyphen delete hyphen orphan. Fine, boss. No, let's go for this one. Patient hyphen HBM dot XML. Patient dot HBM dot XML, guys. patient.hbm.xml. Hibernate mapping. Class name is equal to package.patient. Table is equal to patient. Fine. ID name is equal to, come on, PID. Type is equal to int. Type is equal to it. Generator name is equal to sequence. Under this, what is there? Param name is equal to sequence hyphen name. What is this? Pat underscore ID. Param. Pat ID. Pat underscore ID underscore sequence. What is this here? Generator. Close generator. Yeah, the sequence we have to create, guys. No doubt in that. Property name is equal to name. Type is equal to string. Length is equal to 20. Property name is equal to problem. Type is equal to string. Length is equal to 20. Yeah, let me announce tomorrow at tomorrow at 11 o'clock we have a class, guys. Tomorrow at 11 we have a class of Hibernate, which is continuation. Next, December 5th and 6th we have a workshop on JUnit, Mockito and HTTP unit. On these three tools we are having workshop. December 5th evening 5 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. That is on December 5th. December 6th. Okay, December 6th, 10 a.m. onwards. Right. Yeah, HTTP unit is also one tool. Okay, if you ask me what is HTTP unit, now I cannot explain. Come and attend that class. Fine. Today evening spring class is there or not? Today evening spring class is not there. Next class of spring will be on Monday. Okay, guys. Many to many. What is there, guys? Many to many. Class is equal to many to many. First of all, property. What is the property? We are in the doctors. Class is equal to, not class, guys. Table is equal to third table, guys. Doctors underscore patients. Cascade is equal to all. Lazy is equal to extra. Inverse only one side you can write. Next. Key column. Tell me. Here I should write owning side foreign key column. What do you mean by owning side foreign key column? Tell me. What I should write? Right now we are in which one? Patient HBM. Patient means what is the owning side foreign key column, guys? Please type in the chat box. Owning side foreign key column. I'll murder you. Before write, think once and write. Owning side. Right now we're in the patient mapping file. Patient class configuration is happening. What is that owning side foreign key column? Are owning side means who is the owner? Owning side. Right now, who is the owner? Patient is the owner, right? Patient underscore ID. Owning side foreign key column. Then we are having many to many. Then we are having many to many. Tell me next one. Name is equal to. Okay, that's over. Class is equal to package dot doctor. Doctor. Next, what is there? Opposite side, guys. Then what is this? Column is equal to non-owning side for foreign key. For patient, who is the non-owning side foreign key column? Doctor underscore ID. Reverse, guys. Just reverse of previous one. Doctor underscore ID. What it says? Array first get the patients based on this foreign key column and get associated doctors of the patient based on this foreign key column. That's the meaning of that. Many to many. End of the class tag. Simply it is the end of the class tag. Are you comfortable, guys? Come on. Yes. Oh, set is missing. Ayo. Mistake is mine, guys. Actually, I supposed to write set here. Set tag. Here is my set tag, guys. End of the class tag. End of the hibernate mapping tag. Everyone got the clarity here or not there? Here is my doctor ID. Yes. Here is my patient ID. Nice. Here is my doctors underscore patients. Cool, guys. This is what we need to understand. Anything easy? Yeah. What is this? Owning side FK column. Next, non-owning side FK column. Owning side FK column, non-owning side FK column. That's fine. Shall we get into the discussions, guys? Okay, let's go for practical implementation. It's a many to many association now, guys. I can save the object by using parent objects. I can save the objects using child objects. It's a bidirectional association. Got it or not there? Fine. So now let me close all this stuff. Anyhow, tables can be created dynamically, guys. Here is what? Close projects. File new, Maven project. Say next. Maven archetype quick start. Maven archetype quick start. We'll use this. What is the artifact ID? HB pros. What's the number, guys? 78. HB pros 78. Many to many. Many to many. There's no need of saying bidirectional, guys. Okay. By default, it's a bidirectional. What's the default package? com.nt.test. properties, project facets, Java, I'm changing to 13 because 13 is configured with my system. Okay. So com.nt.test, guys. SRC here, com.nt.test. Yes. Go to the previous project, regular pom.xml, nothing great. We have to pay. Yes. Add other packages. Array, I think some more things I need now, like utility class and other stuff. Configuration I need. Entity I need. Okay, these two things I will take. And I'll do modification, no doubt in that. Say paste. So in entity, remove. I just need one mapping file. That's it. For reference sake. For reference sake, I need mapping file. Yeah, remaining all are normal, guys. Hibernate util.java, because in 5.x setup, we have to explicitly specify mapping file names. You know that, right? So what is that? Doctor.hbm.xml. Next one. Patient.hbm.xml. Doctor.hbm.xml. Patient.hbm.xml. Fine, guys. Phone number.hbm.xml. Here I am changing that one to whom? Doctor.hbm.xml. Okay. Fine, boss. Okay. First of all, in my configuration file, here no need of mention. In Hibernate file, you have to mention in the this one only. Let me develop the entity classes, but before that, let me complete this formality also. Patient dot hbm dot xml. Patient dot hbm dot xml. Okay. Go to entity, new class, doctor, implements what interface? Serializable interface. What interface, guys? Serializable interface. Public class doctor implements what? Serializable. Yes, guys. Next, private integer. What is there? Private integer. Private integer. Come on. DID. Yes. Private string dname. Okay, I'll take only name, guys. Next, private string. Don't forget, still we have to see one-to-one association. Then we have to see annotation driven same application through annotations. Then we have second level cache. Then we have locking in Hibernate. So, okay, with that our batch will wind up, guys. Come on. So there are things are there. Okay, next Hibernate batch will start December 10th. So I will try to wind up your batch in the first week of December. Okay, Sheikh Aziz, that's what I said. Level 2 cache only. I said you are sleeping. Hospital. Okay, public string hospital, private string qualification. Private string qualification. Tell me, Fine. Tell me here, what is this patient? Patients. Patients. Java.util.set. Patient class is not ready. Okay, let me develop the patient class, at least empty class first. Public class, patient. What's the interface? Implements serializable. Implements serializable. Yes, guys. At the rate data. Yes, this is at the rate data. That's nice. So let's go for patient's story. Here also at the rate data. Fine. If any problem comes, we'll have only getter setters. Okay, guys. Tell me next one. Private integer PID. Private string name. Private string problem. Private set. Private set doctor. Private set doctors. Private set doctors. Okay, fine, guys. Okay, to check how many objects are created, to string method also, to feel lazy loading nicely, guys. I want to have constructor explicitly so that I can feel the object creation. Systrace 0 param constructor. Now I want to have two string method on my own. Source to string here already there, fine, no problem. Only no, I don't want to print doctors in that picture. I just want to take up to problem. I want to take up to problem. Nice, guys. Array, I'm not using constructor generated by data. I'm not using toString method generated by data. So apart from that, what I need only getter and setter methods, na. So instead of at the rate data, at the rate getter and setter is good or not? Because when I'm not using most of it, better to go for getter and setters. Here is my doctor, same story. At the rate setter, at the rate getter. Yes, guys. Doctor here, systrace here. Here is my 0 param constructor. Yes, guys. Next, here is my toString method. Let me generate the toString. Or you can use shortcut key. What is the shortcut key? I also forgot. Alt plus Shift plus Alt plus Shift plus yes. Alt plus Shift plus yes and yes. Patients generate. Yes, we got it. We simply got it. Here is my doctor.java. Here is my patient.java. Here is my mapping file. Fine. Let's go to doctor.hbm.xml. Yes, we have a class name. What is this class name? Doctor. com.nt.entity.doctor. Yes, guys. Table is equal to doctor. ID name is equal to DID. Yeah, already we discussed all this stuff. type is equal to int. Generator class is equal to increment. Let me launch that one. Okay. Property name is equal to, tell me, name. Type is equal to string. Length is equal to, okay, some 20. Length is equal to 20. Property name is equal to, what is this? Hospital. Type is equal to string. Length is equal to 20. Property name is equal to qualification. Type is equal to string. Length is equal to 20. Set tag opening and closing. string. Set name. If not set, you can take list also, but yeah, to avoid the duplicates, I'm preferring set, guys. Next, what is the special property? Patients. Table is what? Doctors underscore patients. GTH. Doctors underscore patients. Then what is this? Cascade is equal to all. Lazy is equal to extra. Cascade is equal to all. Lazy is equal to extra. Understanding my statement, guys? Cascade is equal to all. Lazy is equal to extra. Tell me next one. Key column. Key column is equal to, what is equal to? Key column is equal to patient underscore ID. Oh, owning side na? Owning side means doctor underscore ID. Fine. Next. Many to many, guys. Many to many. Tell me here, what is this? Many to many. Name is equal to. Many to many. Name is equal to. What is this? What is the property? Property name already given. Na? Fine. Class is equal to com.entity dot patient. Again column. Column is equal to non-owning side. This one. Non-owning side means what? Patient underscore ID. Get the doctors based on this ID. Get the associated childs based on this foreign key column and store them into what? Set collection in the form of patient class objects. Store them into set collection in the form of patient class objects. That's it. Everyone understood? One side I can write inverse is equal to true. Fine. Patient.hbm.xml. Class name com.entity.patient. Table is equal to patient. What is equal to patient? Table is equal to patient. ID. Name is equal to, come on. ID. Name is equal to, oh, PID. Yeah, fine. PID. Type is equal to int. Yeah, your package name already giving, here is optional, guys. If you don't give also, no problem. Okay. Type is equal to int. Generator class is equal to sequence. Param name is equal to sequencer, sequence hyphen name. Anyone remembered? Just a sequencer. Param name is sequencer, sequence hyphen name. Last time also we have used it, guys. I think it is the only sequencer. Okay, fine. I will use only sequence. Yeah. Sequence. Tell me here what is that? What is this? It's a patient. Okay. Pat ID, pat underscore ID underscore sequence. Property name is equal to, what is equal to? Property name is equal to, come on. Tell me what is the property? I think patient name also name only we have taken, right? Name is equal to name. Type is equal to string. Length is equal to, what is equal to? Length is equal to 20. Property name is equal to, come on. Property name is equal to this. Type is equal to string. Problem, yes, you are right. Problem. Type is equal to string. Type is equal to string. Length is equal to, length is equal to 20. Length is equal to 20. Fine, guys. ID not closed. Let me write the ID closing. Array, here is not the ID. There itself I have to close ID. Okay, first of all, tell me, it is sequence hyphen name or sequencer. Anyone is having idea? I think in previous examples also we used it. Sequence ID name or sequencer. 1 minute. I think somewhere we have used it, not used anywhere. Phone number dot HBM dot XML. Phone number dot HBM dot XML. Oh, only sequence I have used. I have not mentioned any user defined sequence name. See guys, I have not mentioned any user defined sequence name. So when there is a need of mentioning user defined sequence name, what is the parameter, guys? It's a sequence or sequence hyphen name. It's a sequence or sequence hyphen name. I think version to version that param name is changing. Okay, sequence or sequence hyphen name. Okay, I will try with the sequence. If it is not coming, then we will go for sequence hyphen name. Okay, na? Right. Right. Let it be. Let it be. What is this? This is not required. Patient dot this one. Right. Next. Set tag. Still not over. Story. Big story is there. Set name is equal to doctors. Table is equal to doctors underscore. I think patient. Doctors underscore patients. Yeah, check the spells. Cascade is equal to all. Lazy is equal to extra. Key column. Key column. Owning side. Owning side is what? Oh, we are in the patient side now. Okay. Patient underscore ID. Next one. Many to many. Many to many. Class is equal to it should hold a doctor's class object. com.nt.entity.doctor. Okay, column is equal to non-owning side. Non-owning side is what right now? Doctor underscore ID. Non-owning side FK column. Okay. We'll try with the sequence. If any problem comes, we'll go for sequence hyphen name. That's not a big issue. Fine. We are ready with this stuff also, guys. Now we have to concentrate on DAO part. Let's create a package called DAO. New package com.nt.dao. Under this, what is there? Interface. Patient DAO. Save data using parents. Save data using parents. Now implementation class. Patient DAO IMPL interfaces. Patient DAO. What DAO, guys? Patient DAO. After that, what next? Come on. Are you with me? We have to write implementation logic, guys. Get to session. Session SCS is equal to hibernate util dot get session. Session SCS is equal to hibernate util dot get session. After that, what next? Come on. Try. After that, what next, guys? Try. Transaction TX is equal to null. Yes. Okay. If not, session dot get transaction is active. Session. If not, session dot this one. TX is equal to session dot begin transaction. Session dot what transaction here? Begin transaction. Okay. This one transaction TX session dot begin transaction. Prepare objects. Or you can prepare objects outside also, not a problem. This part you can do outside. Prepare objects. I want to take 2 doctors and 4 patients, and I want to link according to my explanation. So let's go for doctors and preparation. Doctor D1 is equal to, okay, new doctor of, acha, I think better to have one 3 param constructors also, guys. Okay. So what is this? Required arcs constructor. Wherever you want to have constructor at the rate, I think this I don't want to involve. On these 3 things I want to involve. Non-null. 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 This gives me 3 argument constructor, guys. Here also, okay. Here also I will take at the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. Fine. Doctor D1 is equal to new doctor of patient name. Doctor name Raja. Hospital Apollo. Come on. Why all are constructor not required now, guys? Required arg is there, na? EMD. Required arg is there or not there? Copy, paste. D2. Tell me next one. Rajesh. Kim's Hospital. Kim's Hospital, EMD. Two doctors are ready, guys. Now patients I want to have. Patient P1 is equal to new patient of. We have a two argument constructor, guys. New patient of two argument constructor. What is the first one? Johnny. Next. Johnny. What's the number? 56.77. Problem. Okay, heart problem. Oh, we don't have two argument constructor. Huh? Oh, right. Go to patient class. Oh, we didn't write here. Fine. Required arg constructor. Required arg constructor. Next, patient P2. Okay. What is this? Anil, kidney problem. Patient P3. Patient P3, come on. Okay. Anita, cancer problem. Patient P4. Suresh, corona problem. Yeah, is it true? Corona second wave is started? Or is just a hype in the market? Is it true? Corona second wave is started here? Any idea? Really started or media is creating hype? True? Again lockdown may come. I don't think this time they will end. Oh, fine. Right. Yeah, be careful, guys. Only night lockdown they are keeping. Fine. Nothing is there in our control except learning Java and applying for jobs. Fine. Okay. Let's come back. What we can do? What about opening NIT? I said, na, Prime Minister and Chief Minister together take the decision. Prime Minister and Chief Minister. Actually, local people thought of opening in the December first week. Yeah, I think it's not because of second wave, it's winter season, na? That's why. Okay. No, actually, we thought of opening. Our local authorities also said in the December first week you may get permission, and now second wave means again they may delay. Yeah. Fine, let it be. What we can do. Yes. Okay. Here what? Set patients to doctors and vice versa. Bidirectional, na guys. Vice versa. Yeah. Tell me, guys. Tell me. D1 is having how many patients, guys? D1 is giving treatment to how many patients? D1 is giving two patients, right? D1 dot set patients map dot, come on, map of, sorry, not map of, sorry, mistake is mine, set of, array, why this copy of Rababu? Set of, tell me which patients, P1 comma P2, over, nice, P1 comma P2. D2 is giving treatment to all the patients, guys. Set dot of, yeah, it's ID problem. When I type off, it is giving copy of ID problem. P1 comma P2 comma P3 comma P4. Nice. Over, guys. Right. Now reverse also. Patient one is getting treatment from how many doctors here? Two doctors, both doctors. Set doctors, set dot of D1 comma D2. Okay. Patient 2 also from both doctors. Set dot of D1 comma D2. Patient 3 is getting treatment from only one doctor. Patient 4 is getting treatment from only one doctor. That is D2. I'm mapping parents to child, childs to parents, guys. Okay. Now, save objects. That too, I want to do parent to child. Session dot save D1. Session dot save. Okay, that too I said now using parent, right? D2. Fine. Fine, guys. Next here what? Boolean variable. Boolean flag is equal to false. Here is what? Flag is equal to true. End of what? Try block. Catch. Hibernate exception. he dot print stack trace. Finally, transaction management. Finally, I am looking for what here? Transaction management. Yes, what is the transaction management I am looking, guys? If flag tx dot commit. Okay, objects are saved. Objects are saved. Else tx dot rollback sysout. Objects are not saved. Objects are not saved. Close session factory. What factory here? Close session factory. Come on. Hibernate util dot close session factory. Hibernate util dot close session factory. Everyone got the clarity there or not? Here is my finally block. Here is my main method. Here is my class. Here is my class. Tested by developing client application. Yes, guys. Many. 3 tables, 2 classes. This is funda. You have to remember. Many. Sir, you didn't discuss one to one. Yes, I will come to one to one. One to one is a different ball game. Many to many test, guys. Here is the main method. Create DAO class object. Many to many. Many to many. Okay, not that one, I think. What's the class name we have taken? Patient. Are here doctor also there now? Wait. We'll change it. Many to many DAO we will take. Many to many DAO. Say next. Say finish. Here also many to many DAO IMPL. Many to many DAO IM. Fine. Fine, guys. Tell me here. Many to many DAO. Many to many DAO IMPL. Use IA. To be more precise, what we can do, for interface, you can take IA also. I many to many DAO. To be more precise. Here also I came automatically. Okay, fine, guys. I many to many DAO is equal to new many to many DAO IMPL of invoke methods. What is the method we are having? Save data using parents. Okay. End of the class. Sorry. End of the main method. End of the class. Fine. Everyone understood my point? Yes, guys. Right click, run on Java application. If tables are not there, they should be created, guys. Oh, we didn't create the sequence, nah. We didn't create the sequence. Then what? Default sequence might be created, guys. Let me check. I think I didn't create the sequence. We didn't create the sequence, then default sequence might be created. Let me check. Sequences, patient, having patient, no sequence is there. That means it is working with the default sequence. Sorry, I don't want to deal with any default sequence, guys. So tables might have come. It's not like the tables have not come. Tables might have come. Doctor underscore patients, doctor, both have come. I will delete them because I want to show freshly, guys. I want to show freshly. Drop because it is working with the default one. I want to show freshly with having everything. Drop. So we are having patient table also. We are having patient table also. Take XML file. What are you doing, man? What is need of taking XML file? Right. I want to create a sequence, guys, first. Sequences. Here, new sequence. Here, new sequence. Pat underscore ID underscore sequence. Start with 1000. Start with 1000. Increment 1. Minimum value 1000. Max value 10,000. Save. Okay. It has not come properly. A pat underscore ID underscore sequence. Look at the pat underscore ID underscore sequence right now. Fine, guys. Java application. Now let's see. It is still working with the default sequence or not. No, so many. Array, still it is giving from hibernate underscore sequence only. Still it is giving from hibernate underscore sequence only. Did you notice that? Second time also it is giving from hibernate underscore sequence only. That means what? It is not, it is not sequence. Param name is sequence hyphen name. In old version it is sequence, guys. New version it is sequence underscore name. Fine, guys. Tell me. I want to create a new table. If you want to create a new table, so temporarily you take what? Create. Next time onwards, make it update. So what create will do? Will drop the existing table and will create a new table or not there? Always new, always new. Okay. Fine. It will create, it will delete the sequence also, na? Ah, no, I don't think it will delete the sequence. Let's see. It's not underscore. I think it is a sequence underscore name, hyphen name. I only taught and it is not hyphen only. As for my knowledge, it's hyphen only. Okay, 1 minute here. Why to take a chance whether if it is deleting sequence again, I have to go for again manual creation. Okay. Instead of that, let's drop the tables, guys. Let's drop tables only. Doctor. Oh, first of all, I have to say refresh. Doctors underscore patients. Yeah, let me delete last. Over. Give me 2 minutes time. Patient. Yes, we are having patient. Okay. Let's see. One too many test, guys. Run on Java application. Yes, things came, guys. Okay. Say refresh. Say refresh. Doctor data. Two records are inserted for doctors. Okay, next I'll show order. I'll show you in order. Patients data. Okay, coming or not coming. So I will pin it. Okay, 138. Are some numbers got pasted? That's why it is coming like this. Don't worry. 138, 139, 140. Here also, check it out. At the top, it is still working with the hibernate sequence. Huh? Oh, our hard work got wasted, guys. It is not even hyphen, it is underscore. Huh? It is still collecting from what? Yeah. Okay, no problem. Let it be. We'll just change the parameter. It is still collecting from this. 1 minute. Underscore. You forgot, I forgot. That's good. No problem. We'll do one more round of this one. One more round of insertion. Many to many test. Java application. Yeah, now it's underscore. It's not iPhone, it's underscore. Fine, syntax, not nothing to worry, guys. Refresh. More patients came. Refresh, more patients came. Okay, with 1,000 numbers, 1,000 as the serial number. And go to doctors kind of thing. Yes, here we are having doctors, guys. Pin it. Yeah, more doctors have come. 3 and 4. Doctor underscore patients data pin it. And it's total 8. How many years? 6 plus 6, 12 entries will be there. First insertion 6 entries, second insertion 6 entries. And look at the constraints. Okay, SQL that is generated. It is happily creating foreign key, guys. Okay. So it's a bidirectional. Let's do from child to parent also. Let's do the same work from child to parent also. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Select operation and other operations we will see later. Okay. Save data using childs. Save data using childs. Come here. It is not main, it is method. Save data using childs. Copy this, paste. Right, guys. Tell me here. So doctors, I'll just change the data, guys. Satish Karan. Next. Okay. Yeah. Who will remember? BB CC. Something, yeah. Typing names sometimes become very horrible, right? So BBCC this. Right. Yeah. Many to many test. I'm commenting these guys. DAO dot save data using childs. But in IMPL, don't call these methods. You have to call save. Session dot save P1, session dot save P2, session dot save P3, session dot save P4, session dot save P4. To many test. Oh, straight away saying objects are saved. Come here, patient, refresh. Some more records, guys. Another 4. Patient, doctor, 2 more doctors are added. So related to this patient, another 6 entries. 6 entries, 18 has come. Save P1, P2, P3. So we are able to do bidirectional association activity or not. In fact, say loading, deleting, everything is same as previous one, guys, because already we have done. Only the advantage is we can do from parent and we can also do from child. Parent to child possible, child to parent also possible. Easier, not easier. So small magic is there in the table creation and small magic is there in the mapping file. 2 foreign keys you have to specify. Tell me, what is the best value for lazy here? What's the best value for lazy here? Extra. What's the best value for cascade? All. What's the best value for fetch? Here also join. Join. In many to many, any side, right? Yeah, can I write inverse is equal to true both sides? Can I write inverse is equal to true on both sides? No. Only one side I should write, right? Okay. Right click. What is this? Team share project. Yeah, tomorrow we will see select operations. Tomorrow we will see what select operations. And there is one more tag called ID bag tag. What is this? ID bag tag. Srikanth, if you are a fresher, think about Bangalore. If you are a fresher, think about experience, think about Hyderabad, Bangalore, your choice. Srikanth is asking, I'm looking for walk-ins. No, actually, in these days, no one is conducting walk-ins, na boss. All everything is online recruitment. But still, question has come. I am asking. Experienced Bangalore or Hyderabad, anything okay. Fresher, I suggest Bangalore because in Bangalore, a lot of small companies are there compared to Hyderabad. Okay, na? Right. Yeah, in this pandemic, MNCs are taking 2-3 months time to release the offer letter. Pune is a small market here, no doubt in that. Pune is a small market compared to Bangalore and Hyderabad. It is picking up fine. So if you are a localite, wants to do job in Pune itself, you may try. Okay, Sheikh Aziz. Yes, online interviews are always awesome, no doubt in that. When Hibernate will be completed, sir? First week of December. Tomorrow, 11 o'clock, we have a class. Chennai, fine, IT sector is slowly picking up, guys, but competition is less. In Pune, Chennai, jobs are less, competition is also less. Hyderabad, jobs are more, but depthness is required. More depth in the subject is required because a lot of IT training is happening in Hyderabad. Na, that's why. Bangalore, jobs are more, competition is more, cost of living more, pollution more, and every day 5 to 6 hours you have to spend in the traffic. Mumbai IT industry is not there. Sorry to say that. Mumbai IT industry is not there. Right. Fine. Yeah, I'll change the dates while uploading. Don't worry. Thank you, guys. Gurgaon, it's not good for Java, boss. Gurgaon is basically good for .NET and PHP. Gurgaon is not so great for Java. Java, very less companies are there. It's good for UI technologies, PHP, and this one. Calcutta is also small market. Nagpur, I don't think market is still there. Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, NCR, Delhi, NCR, I know that. Kerala, na, okay, go for tourism, not for IT jobs. Thank you. Have a nice time. In Core Java, don't learn programs. In Core Java, learn subject. Okay. Right. Already 1-2 mini projects are conducted. Vizag, Vijayawada, better not to talk as of now. Only call center jobs are more. Very small companies are there. Right. Most of the jobs are call center. Pega is a tool, guys. Pega is a tool, is a BPM tool, not for you people. Thank you, guys. Chandarpura. Okay, I think you are in a naughty mood. Okay.